Pisces, this is Shara with Ariana Stark with your forecast for June 2025. This is the new month, so new energies are going to be effective this June. We will use oracle cards as well as the ideal tarot for your reading for June. For a personalized reading, Pisces, feel free to reach us at the email address given below. The overall energy this month from the ideal tarot is the Four of Pentacles. Now this is talking about hard work which is going to be in store for you. The 4 also means that you desire stability as well as solid foundations for the future, but then progress could be very slow. This also means you need to focus, you need to pull up your socks, no point getting worked up. Opportunities that could arise this month may not be to your liking. Banking work, bookkeeping is also going to be a priority for Pisces this month. The final days of May stepping into June, I do have the 5 of Swords. Possibly in those final days you were someone who needed to weigh your words very carefully because you were getting exasperated. Maybe your boys had deserted you because of your schedule going for a toss. You needed to adjust. Negotiations were also on the cards at this time. I think you needed to focus because mistakes may have arisen. Perhaps many of you were also concerned about the health of a loved one. Yet surprises were in store for you. You also had the chance to remedy the situation. Maybe you shouldn't have paid too much attention to what others were saying. Sometimes, we think or we take everything to heart. That could have also led to miscommunication. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges. I do have the Ace of Wands. You do crave newness. You're also going to be someone who is going to be very creative, but then take any offer that comes your way with a grain of salt, because sometimes we are promised much, but then there's nothing much to show. Paperwork or technical matters will also abound this month. You're also looking for support from your loved ones. Communication is also going to increase. You're also going to be on your toes. Maybe you have to climb down from your way of thinking. You have to surrender to what others want. Influences for this month. Mercifully, we do have the High Priestess. This is talking about encouraging results for sure. Surprises and gains can be expected. Again, you will also be on your toes. You can expect others to be very demanding. They know that you can assist them. That is why they will turn to you. But be careful, because you may feel that it's a thankless world. They fail to express gratitude. You also need to understand that nothing goes unnoticed by the universe. The universe is always going to bless you abundantly. Perhaps you can be honest in a gentle way rather than get irked or worked up. Travel or movement is also on the cards. Maybe you also need to be reasonable. There could be job opportunities. It could be from another place. But then be prepared, Pisces, that this person is going to extract more than his pound of flesh. You have to put in a lot of effort if you do bag that job. The first 10 days of the month, I do have the Moon card, which is talking about confusion. Maybe you're going to be perplexed with respect to decisions that you make. You feel everything in your life is cyclic. Maybe you need to follow your own inner voice, your intuition, your gut feeling, because it is always going to be spot on. Again, strange dreams could also be there, so pay attention to them. I think work-wise also you need to pull up your socks, have a very professional attitude, because your boss could ask you to be more efficient, and you don't want to listen to this kind of a feedback. There's going to be uncertainty. Maybe you have options and you can't decide. You also feel that your family is creating certain roadblocks, restrictions in your life. You realize you shouldn't be silent on the issue. Maybe you're going to be questioned about your contribution towards the family purse. Outstation work offers are also going to be there, but then maybe the pay on offer is not going to be up to your liking. Even as a freelancer, there could be an offer to collaborate with a particular acquaintance, but then you will sidestep the issue because you believe that this person is very unprofessional. You also need to be careful because there are going to be people who could create misunderstandings between you and a co-worker, you should have your ears close to the ground. The next 10 days, 11 to 20th June, is the Eight of Wands. This is a very positive card in your reading. It is talking about good news. Your social circle is also going to widen. Travel, movement, or commuting great distances is the need of the hour. There will be work-related offers, but salary expectations may not be met. Yet, I think you have to be prepared because you will have a lot on your plate. Incidentally, your colleagues or co-workers could also question your commitment to work. Other than that, with respect to financial matters, I think you need to be crystal clear because eyebrows could be raised. There are certain limitations that you need to maneuver before everything becomes a reality. I think some people could also say that you're breaking the rules, even though they realize that they should also focus on increased finances. Eventually, they will realize that you were right, but in the present circumstance, I think you need to be mindful of the same. Those of you on the leadership position, I think you could expel a worker as you believe he or she is tampering with your products, your goods. Maybe you're looking for replacements, but then newcomers may not be proficient. Pisces, you also need to be careful with respect to gossip because there are people who are going to gossip about you. You know, as the saying goes, those who gossip with you are going to gossip about you. The final days of the month, that is 21st to 30th June, is the Star card. This is another major arcana, so this is going to be a significant month with the High Priestess with the Star card as well as the Moon card coming in your reading. You realize that you can't fight destiny. Maybe you should seek divine guidance. You also need to focus on learning. Maybe there'll be spur of the moment decisions. Your schedule could go for a toss. You also need to tone down your expectations. Sometimes, as a worker, you could also be disturbed because work may be progressing at snail's pace with that tortoise in this card. Maybe you should realize slow and steady wins the race, but then sometimes we want to push the envelope, we want to complete what we set out to do. You should control the situation, you should not allow it to go out of hand. You have to find alternatives to problems that arise. Maybe someone is also up to mischief, someone is deliberately hindering your plans at this time. Even from the Divine Messages Oracle, I do have the card, nothing comes from nothing. I think you need to put in the hard work, you have to do the groundwork. These circles which are formed on the sand do take time. Likewise, I think you need to be patient because without putting in the effort, you can't attain anything in life. With respect to your love life, I do have the card New Beginning. Maybe some of you are also going to be in an adventurous frame of mind when it comes to the opposite sex. I think you should embrace it. You should live your dreams passionately, it says here. Maybe there's going to be a new romance which is brewing. With the High Priestess, this person could be someone whom you could meet on account of your friend, or some of you could also be at a new place, and as your social circle is widening, you're going to come across members of the opposite sex. So be open to that. Maybe it's destiny that has brought the two of you together. Other than that, your friend could also play Cupid this month. Maybe you could have second thoughts about this person because of your dissimilar backgrounds. That is why the Moon card in your reading, that is why you're going to be having those second thoughts about your relationship. That is why you may feel someday, perhaps in another lifetime, you will come together. Maybe destiny has other ideas. Maybe the relationship will not work in this lifetime, but in another lifetime, the two of you will surely come together. Those of you in an on-again, off-again relationship would also feel the same. I do have the card farewell, but I'm no good at goodbye. So even if you want to pull away from a relationship, even if you think that you shouldn't date someone from another community, but this person is someone for whom you will have a corner. This person is someone who is going to pull at your heartstrings. It could not be easy to let go of this connection at the soul level. I do have another message here. You get me like no other, it says here. So conversations with this person could also make you realize that there's no one who compares to this person, and that you do enjoy talking to this person and you share a soul contract or a soul bond. This could also be true for those of you who are already romancing. I think dinner dates could be lined up. Maybe you could also plan a short trip and be with your person. I do have other messages in this reading which talks about emotional sensitivity. I think we should respect your gifts. If you feel out of sorts in a particular situation, then you need to back off. You need to come out of that situation. It could harm you physically as well as emotionally. I think you should respect whatever signs your body is giving you. From Lenormand, I do have this message site that says you're also being asked this June to break away from situations which are unhealthy for you, with the emotional sensitivity card also coming into effect. I think some of you could also be thinking about a surgery because physical health could be an issue for some Pisces. I think you also need to cut out those people from your life who are energy vampires. With the scythe card, going to be someone whose words could cut like a knife this June. All in all, there's going to be confusion. There's also going to be good news and destiny, which has an important part to play this June. I hope Pisces you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Do give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.